My name's Ikram. I'm one of the district judges at Camberwell. I'm a district judge in the Magistrates Court, which means I deal mostly with criminal cases. I did maths, physics and chemistry, decided to go into engineering, and then realised I'd made the wrong choice. And so when I actually thought about what I wanted to do, I suddenly thought, actually, what I'm really interested in is the law. I remember in 1984 reading the Good University Guide, and the Good University Guide had the School of Legal Studies at Wolverhampton Polytechnic, as it was then. And I think it said something like, reputed to be better than most university law schools. That's what it said in 1984. I thought the teaching was brilliant. It was really down to earth. They got to the point. I had some really good lecturers, and some of them pushed me quite hard. And they were very proud of themselves in those days, quite rightly, that there were a lot of practitioners rather than a lot of very, very intelligent academics, which is fine, but if you're going to have a career in the law, and that's what I always wanted, I needed that practical approach. A law degree, of course, is not the end of the legal training. You have to do bar exams. I couldn't afford to do the bar exams, so I bought myself a wad of manuals and just sat the exams. I didn't go on a formal course. I ended up getting a salaried position as my first legal job as a magistrate's clerk. I did that for 5 years, but there came a time when I wanted to stand on my own feet and be the advocate. Started off as an assistant solicitor. I became a partner. I became the head of group in the end. And in 2003 I was appointed as a part-time judge. It's odd because you don't naturally think they make people like you into judges. In 2008 I started all over again. There was now a competition for the full-time office of district judge. And I remember there was about 700 applications, most of them part-time judges. And I had to go through the process again. And again, it was on merit. And I'm here today because I got through that competition. I was appointed as a deputy judge in my 30s, and I was appointed as a full-time judge in my early 40s. Historically, the judges were appointed at a much later stage in their legal careers. The day when I received my warrant from the Queen, the day I became a judge, that really was something quite special. Thanks to my Wolverhampton degree, I was able to compete on merit. Those best suited are appointed judges, and it was my degree education which allowed me to get where I am today.